Voicenotes AI notes and meetings. So how to install this app? Number one, AI note taker. Voicenotes is the easiest way to take notes whether you're in a meeting or in a vocal processing a thought out loud. Just hit record. Voice notes transcribes your speech instantly, summarizes what matters, and lets you ask your AI to recall anything later. Record meetings, get accurate transcriptions, 100 plus languages, ask your AI to remember details, dates, and decisions. Works with iOS, macOS, watchOS. And so here you have it like that. And then it also works with your favorite tools, Notion, Todoist, Streetwise, WhatsApp, Zapier, and then you can just open it up and then easily just create your account. $80 per year. So you can see in here, not shoot, there is a free access, free trial, $9 per week. So here you just have it like that. Then you can just record and then you can see the full transcript. For example, when you're recording it, then you can just attach, copy, share, fix, edit, delete. That's the idea. Language theme. So a lot of new features, quite cool app. However, it's limited in terms that you need to upgrade to use it properly. So that's the idea.